Hello and welcome to the Nutri Mantra podcast where we talk about our health and well-being. Today we are tackling a topic that might sound a little rough, but trust me, it is anything but boring. We are diving deep into the wonderful world of fiber. Now the word fiber might conjure up images of that cardboard tasting cereal. But hold your horses. Fiber is so much more than just something that keeps things moving. Technically, dietary fiber refers to the indigestible parts of plant foods that are gastrointestinal enzymes, that is, the digestive enzymes, can't break down. It is also affectionately known as roughage, which, let's be honest, doesn't exactly sound delicious. But this nutrient is a superhero in disguise, working tirelessly behind the scenes in our digestive system. Think of it as your gut's best friend, absorbing water like a tiny sponge and keeping everything running like clockwork. There are two main types of dietary fiber: soluble, which with water forms a gel and helps with cholesterol and blood sugar, and insoluble, which adds bulk to your stool and keeps your digestion regular. Both are important and they work best together. Speaking of smooth operations, let's talk about fiber's most famous benefit: preventing constipation. It's like having a friendly traffic cop in your gut, keeping things moving along. Nobody wants a traffic jam in there, right? But the benefits don't stop there, folks. Fiber is also a fantastic ally in weight management. These indigestible plant parts take up space in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer without holding you up with calories. It's like having a built-in stop eating signal. One study in the Journal of Nutrition found that increased dietary fiber intake was significantly associated with greater weight loss in people on a calorie-restricted diet. If you are managing type 2 diabetes, fiber can be a real game changer. It slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which means more stable blood sugar levels. In fact, research shows that people with diabetes who eat a high fiber diet often require less insulin. And don't forget your heart. Soluble fiber is like a little internal bodyguard. It forms a gel in your gut that helps trap and remove cholesterol before it gets absorbed into your bloodstream. A meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that higher dietary fiber intake is linked to a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease. So, the message is clear. Fiber is for everyone who want a happy gut, a healthy weight, stable blood sugar, and a strong heart. But how do we actually get more of this magical stuff into our daily lives? It is easier than you think. Instead of reaching for fruit juice, go for the whole fruit. Aim for vibrant variety of vegetables every day. Think of your plate as a canvas and colorful vegetables as your paints. Swap out refined grains for whole grains. Use whole wheat flour for your chapatis. Switch from white to brown rice. It does take cooking a little longer, but your gut will love you for it. And bring on the legumes, peas, beans, lentils. They are all fiber superstars. Here are a few sneaky ways to boost your fiber every day. Sprinkle flax seeds on your salads. Keep pre-cut vegetables like carrot, cucumber, beetroot at a visible spot in your fridge. Add raw or lightly cooked vegetables to your pasta, rice dishes, omelets. Load up your sandwiches with lettuce, cabbage, onion, tomato, capsicum. Stuff your chapatis with grated raw vegetables. Make a raita with chopped cucumber, tomato, carrot. And add veggies to chaat with roasted gram, puffed rice, and sprouts. Fiber might not be glamorous, but it's one of the most vital nutrients for your health. It is your gut's best ally, your heart's quiet protector, and your appetite's natural regulator. Try adding one extra fiber-rich food to each meal and see the difference. That's all for this episode of the Nutri Mantra podcast. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating corner of the world of food and nutrition. Until then, keep that fiber coming. Take care. Bye bye.